This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a connection string. A connection string is essentially a set of parameters that your application uses to connect to a database. Think of it as a detailed address and key for your data. It specifies crucial information like the server's location, the database name, and any necessary authentication credentials. While the core purpose remains the same, the exact format can vary a bit depending on the database system you are using. For SQL Server, obtaining a connection string is straightforward. You can often find it within SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS. Simply connect to your server instance, then right-click on the database in Object Explorer and select Properties. Look for connection properties there. Alternatively, when building applications, you can programmatically construct these strings using a dedicated builder class, which helps ensure correct syntax and security practices. Beyond SQL Server, other databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL each have their own specific connection string formats, typically including host, port, user, and database name. Regardless of the database type, a critical best practice is to never hardcode connection strings directly into your application's source code. This poses a significant security risk. Instead, always store them securely, perhaps using environment variables or encrypted configuration files, to protect sensitive credentials from unauthorized access. To recap, connection strings are fundamental for enabling your applications to communicate with databases, providing all the necessary details for a successful connection. It's crucial to understand their structure and how to retrieve them for various database systems. Most importantly, always prioritize secure storage methods, such as environment variables or dedicated secret management tools, to protect your sensitive database credentials. Remember to check the description for a link to these containers and other great deals, helping you stay organized and secure in all aspects of your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.